Welcome to Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker Review, a comprehensive guide. Whether you're a novice or an experienced cook, this video will find out the $65 Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker is worth of money. Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features and performance of the Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this video will cover everything you need to know about this product. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker. It features a sleek and compact design, making it a great addition to any kitchen countertop. The build quality is sturdy, ensuring durability for long-term use. Next, let's explore the functionality and controls. The Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker comes with intuitive buttons and a user-friendly interface, allowing for easy operation. It offers a variety of cooking modes such as white rice, brown rice, steam, and more, catering to different cooking needs. Now, let's talk about cooking performance and versatility. The Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker consistently delivers perfectly cooked rice with just the right texture and flavor. Additionally, its multifunctionality extends beyond rice, allowing you to cook various dishes like soups, stews, and even desserts. When it comes to cleaning and maintenance, the Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker is a breeze to clean. The inner pot and accessories are typically dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free. Just remember to refer to the manual for specific cleaning instructions. Lastly, let's consider the value for money. The Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker offers excellent value with its affordable price point and versatile performance. It's a great investment for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine without breaking the bank. In my conclusion, the Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that delivers on both performance and affordability. Whether you're cooking for one or the whole family, this multi-cooker has got you covered. Thank you for joining me for my comprehensive review of the Kmart Rice Multi-Cooker. Happy cooking!